Okay, this is a continuation of the recording for the Unit 3 test. We left off on question 28, so I'm going to scroll through to question 29. The inner transition metal area of the periodic table contains atoms of which type? Lanthanide and actinide series, noble gases, halogens, metals. Question 30. Which of the following shows three elements in order of increasing conductivity? Germanium, oxygen, manganese. Manganese, germanium, oxygen. Manganese, oxygen, germanium. Oxygen, germanium, manganese. Question 31. Which of the following lists the elements in order of increasing malleability? Selenium, tin, antimony. Tin, antimony, selenium. Antimony, tin, selenium. Selenium, antimony, tin. Question 32. We want to match each element to its correct electron configuration of outermost highest energy electrons. We have barium, strontium, bromine, silicon, aluminum, lithium, matching up to 6s2, 4p5, 2s1, 3p2, 5s2, 3p1. Question 33. How does the electron configuration of elements within the same group compare? They all have their valence electrons in the same energy level. They all have their valence electrons in the same type of subshell. They all have their valence electrons in a p suborbital. They all have their valence electrons in the third energy level. Of the following, which information is obtained by looking at the group numbers of elements, Group A number designations 1A through 8A? The number of electrons that will be gained or lost by an atom to fulfill the octet rule, the number of valence electrons in an atom, the number of energy levels in an atom, both A and B. Question 35. Choose the element from the list that best fits this description. The element is in a family of elements that have characteristics of both metals and nonmetals. It is often used as a semiconductor in electrical circuitry, but it is not malleable. Tellurium, calcium, sodium, argon. Question 36. Match the following elements to the family group to which they belong. Nickel, cesium, argon, antimony, strontium, iodine. Matching up to alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, metalloid, transition metal, halogen, and noble gas. Question 37 is an open-ended question. Explain why an atom with 7 valence electrons and 2 energy levels has a high electronegativity and high ionization energy. Question 38 is our last question and also an open-ended question. Which element's atoms have a neutral electron configuration that ends in sp3? Describe how you arrived at the location and identity of this element. That's the last question on the test. If you have any questions or need any help, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck.